Basement water leaks happen because water just isn't going where it's supposed to, and that usually starts with bad drainage around your house. So, first off, check where that floor drain in your basement leads. It should be connected to a proper drainage system that moves water away from your home, not back toward it. Next, look at your yard's grading. There's got to be a gentle slope directing water downhill and away from your foundation by at least a few degrees. If you see puddles or little streams near your house after it rains, that's a red flag saying your drainage might be messed up. You can't just slap some waterproof coating on the basement floor and hope it fixes the leak. That stuff won't stop water coming in from outside. French drains are a solid option. They're basically trenches filled with gravel and pipes that redirect water from one spot to another, usually dumping it somewhere safe like the curb or a drainage swale. If you have a low spot inside your basement where water collects, installing a sump pump and pit can really help by pumping water out and far away from your home. And hey, if all this sounds confusing, tons of YouTube videos break it down visually, which might make it click better. One of the biggest mistakes people make with basement leaks is ignoring the grading around their house. That slight slope is key to keeping water away. Fix this by regrading your yard so water flows away from the foundation, not toward it. Another common issue is a floor drain that backs up during heavy rain instead of draining properly. To fix this, make sure the drain connects to an effective system and consider adding a check valve to prevent backflow. Lastly, skipping on a sump pump when you have a basement low spot can cause ongoing flooding. Getting a sump pit installed with a pump that pushes water far from your home is usually the best move. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with drainage and basement waterproofing. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people who need your skills and get more projects lined up without all the hassle.